My name is Shantae, and today I have 5 new remote work from home jobs that I would like to share with you today. If you haven't done so yet, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help and I would greatly appreciate it. I also have a Facebook group. It is WFH Mom Squad, and a YouTube channel that is WFH Mom Squad. All right, so let's go ahead on and get into it. The first remote work from home job that I would like to share with you is with ADT. ADT is looking for a remote install specialist. Now, the requirements for this position is a high school diploma or equivalent. At least 1 year of customer service experience is required, with technical support experience is preferred but not required. Technical aptitude, excellent problem solving skills, selling skills, and ability to handle multiple tasks efficiently. 1 year of home security systems technician experience is highly preferred, but it isn't required. And work from home position must have a private work area that is quiet and free of distractions and meets company standards with adequate internet bandwidth to perform this role. Now, the pay for this position is $16.66 to $21 an hour, and it is also based on experience. Now, they are anticipating that they may stop taking applications by December 5th, but that's going to come down to how many applications they receive. So if you find out that you can no longer apply for this job, it means that they received a lot of applications. Second remote work from home job that I would like to share with you is with CVS. So CVS is looking for a customer service representative. Now, the requirements for this position: 6 months of customer service experience, basic computer skills, and you must reside in the Central Standard Time Zone. Current qualifications for this position is 1 or more years of experience in a contact center environment and Microsoft Office experience preferred, as well as a high school diploma or GED. So if you have 1 or more years of customer service experience, and if you have Microsoft Office experience as well, this will actually put you over the top in being able to get this position. Now, the pay rate for this position is $18.50 an hour starting out, and it is 40 hours per week. Third remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is going to be with Credit Acceptance. They're looking for an implemented solutions contact and servicing analyst. Now, the requirements for this position is a bachelor's degree, experience with projects that include UAT testing and monitoring of core system functionality, 3 or more years experience as 3 or more years professional experience programming, 5 or more years experience programming with programming senior level, mid-level, 3 or more years, mid-level experience leading projects that include UAT testing, experience testing, contact management system implementations, knowledge in at least 1 area of collection loan servicing functions, and experience monitoring and providing guidance to less senior team members. The pay for this position, if you are mid-level, $77,000 to $102,000. If you are a senior analyst, $99,000 to $133,000 annually. Now, I'm going to put the links in the comment section of the video, but this is once again Credit Acceptance. And if you look at the requirements, you'll be able to specify, verify if you do meet the requirements for this position. All right, so the first remote work from home job that I have to share with you is with Ninjaone. And this is a paralegal position. So if you are a paralegal and you're wanting to work remote, then this may be for you. All right, so they want you to have, as a paralegal, a minimum of 4 years of experience, previous experience working in tech, SaaS, SaaS, or fast-growing international company, experience with non-disclosure and commercial contract review and lifecycle management, proficiency in contract management tools such as Ironclad, excellent communication, organizational, and multi-tasking skills, ability to support both local and cross-border matters within a global legal framework, legal education or paralegal certification in the U.S. legal system, familiar with trade compliance, sanction screening, and privacy regulations, understanding of employment law documentation, and insurance-related legal processes. Now, for this position, the pay is $75,000 to $100,000 annually. So the positions I went over with you today were with Credit Acceptance, Ninjaone, ADT, CDS, and then the 5th remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is with Appfolio. That's APPFOLIO. They're looking for a customer care specialist, one for payment support. The requirements for this position is a bachelor's degree or relevant work experience, 1 or more years of remote or hybrid work experience, And hybrid is basically working at home certain days and working in the office. Long-term experience in customer-facing role within compliance, payments, risk, fraud, or fintech, providing direct customer service and demonstrating growth through consistent top performance. Ability to effectively manage multiple tasks with response time expectations in mind, organized and effective in task and queue management, able to communicate clearly and concisely with a team, manager, and customers via phone, chat, and email, embody an incredibly positive outlook with a desire to grow, take on more responsibilities and drive initiatives, ability to advise critical and confidentiality, technical customer support experience in a queue-based environment in property management or accounting. Bookkeeping knowledge is a plus, but it is not required. The pay for this position is $21.30 to $26.10 per hour. All right, so I'm going to put the links for the positions in the comment section or description of the video. Please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it does help. I also have a Facebook group, WFH Mom Squad, YouTube, WFH Mom Squad. So thank you for watching, you guys. Be blessed.